Guys, my name is Arash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the differences between a static and dynamic IP address and show you how you can check whether your IP is static or dynamic. Keep watching.
So guys, let's talk about these two terms, static and dynamic IP. So IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. This address is like your home address but on digital world. It's your digital footprint. As you can see in this image, a static IP is like having the same IP address every time you connect to internet. For example, when you connect with your laptop or your phone or your computer to the internet, Wi-Fi or cellular data, you always have the same IP address. But with dynamic IP, your IP change once in a while. For example, if you refresh your page, your IP will be changed. So one thing is very important for you to know is that your device, for example, your laptop or your phone device, is showing you, but your IP address is telling where are you right now. It gives the internet, the other applications where you are currently exist. For example, if you are freelancer or digital nomad traveling around the world, whenever you connect to internet, your IP is changing unless you have a static VPN. Besides that, your IP address is always changing. But if you work in the office have the same IP address, and each time you connect to your device you have same IP address. But what are the differences? So right now we understand the differences, but when you should use a static IP address and when you should use dynamic IP address. As I told you, if you are just a normal internet user, you just want to browse internet, browse your Instagram, the dynamic IP address is okay. You don't need a static IP because static IP addresses are more expensive over dynamic ones. If you are heavy game player or if you want to do freelancing, or for example you are in travel and you want to connect to your company device network, you need a static IP. And here, as you can see, I show you how you can check your IP address by, if you have a MacBook or you have a Linux operating system, you can run curl ipconfig.me. Let me check it. Oh, sorry. ifconfig.me. And as you can see, this is my current IP address. And because this is the hotel room Wi-Fi, each time I check my IP, I get same IP address. But if I connect to third-party VPNs, because they have a free IPs, each time I will get different IP address. But now here, as you can see, even tomorrow I come and check it, I see same IP address. On Windows you can run ipconfig. You can test it if you have Windows device. And there is another online tool. You can check your IP address. For example, on Google, you can search what is my IP address. For example, this first one, when you click on it, you see the same IP address we saw on our terminal. That's showing us we have a static IP address. That's it, guys. I hope you learned this. It's very good to know it if you are a heavy tech user or heavy internet user. It's very good to know these differences. Also, you can check my site pycoin24.com and read this blog. I go deep dive and explain everything to you, and you can read it and you understand the concept completely well. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any question, and I will help you. Bye for now.